Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we started a girl called Golda. In this poem is written by David Basman. In the previous classes, already we have completed first two paragraphs. In this class, we finish in the move on to the other part or move on to the third and fourth paragraphs. Dear students, a girl called Golda, a girl called Golda. David Batsman was called a girl called Golda. By her name is Elizabeth Cuthbert. By her name is Elizabeth Cuthbert. Elizabeth Cuthbert is a greatest athlete. She was an Australian athlete and she was sprinter and very fastest runner, and she had 3 gold medals, and she had 3 gold medals in at 1956. She had 3 gold medals at 1956 Olympics, which was held in Melbourne. And then 4th gold medal. She had 4th gold medal at the 1964 Olympics, which was held in Tokyo. Totally, she had 4th gold medal because the author called a girl called a Golda. A great achievement because she was very hard work and her determination and perseverance and then her achievement. Because the David Batsman was called by her a girl or a Betty Cuthbert, or her original name is Elizabeth Cuthbert, was one of the golden girl as like a PT Usha as India. She was competitive in the World Olympics Games to participate from India. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲಿಜಬೆತ್ ಕತ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ. She was participating in the Olympics Games and she had 3 gold medals at the 1956 which was 1956 Olympics, which was held in Melbourne. And again, she was participate in the next Olympics Games 1964 Olympics, which was held in Tokyo. Then the time she having a 4th gold medal. These most of 4 gold medals. She having a 4th gold medal because the author was called a girl. That girl is a golden girl. But that in this poem name is a girl called Golden. The David Batsman was called to her as one of the golden girl. Look at the 3rd paragraph. In the previous classes, 2 paragraphs. Rida, why did you run? The poet asked to Elizabeth. The poet some more questions. The poet asked to some more questions to the Elizabeth Cuthbert or Betty Cuthbert. Why did you run? Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Was it the feel? Was it the feel of the fresh air and the sunshine? Was it the feel? Was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Because you were started to run. Then others were walking. Then your friends were walking. But when the time you are already running. Already started to run. And then second question, why did you sprint? Why did you sprint? If they started to run, your friends were started to run, already you are sprint, because was it the stay of the breeze and your air? Because was it the stay of the breeze in our air? And the third question, why did you try? While others were playing, why did you try? While others were playing, because what made the coach recognize you were special? Your friends were playing the games and enjoying their childhoods. But you were giving a training. You were taking a training from the coach. Why you are not enjoying your childhood? Why you are not enjoying with our friends with a playing? But you are already trying from the coach, because what made the coach recognize you were special? What made the coach recognize you were special? ನೀನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀಯಾ? ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಆತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೋಚ್ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಕೋಚ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? And the last questions, what was the secret that made it simple? ಹಾಸ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್? ಆಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫನ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಗೇಮ್? Was it because you had a courage to spare means spend. ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ನವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಆ ಗೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇದ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 paragraphs, the poet or author asked 4 questions in the first paragraph, and then the second paragraph again yes or no type of interrogative sentence to rise. The poet rise to yes or no type of interrogative sentence to find out the answer to himself. But in the third and fourth paragraph, the poet asked one more questions. But look at the third paragraph. Showing your will, or showing your desire, or your determination. Showing your will when the muscles were hacking. Showing your will when the muscles were hacking. Long spells of effort and much to be learned. Heeding the words that some others rejected, knowing that winning could be only learned. Only be learned. Showing your will. Will means, dear friends, will. Will means, showing your will. Will means desire or determination. Determination, her determination, her persuasion. Totally her desire, showing your desire, showing your will, or showing your desire. When the muscles were acting in the previous days or previous years, she had participated that games, or she had learned or practice to that game. And at the time, her muscles were hacking, her muscles were failing. That failing muscles were encouraged to her to imagine the answer, to find out by the author, or David Passion. Showing your will when muscles were hacking, long spells of effort. Observe the word spells, long spells of effort. The period spells means in this poem we have to consider or observe or take the meaning, the period of time. Period of time. The spells means period of time. Spells, and then it is a learn to again and again. Spells means to speak to again and again, or pronunciate to again and again. But in this poem, to repeat an action of some more time or some particular period of time. When her teenage, she was practice more time, because she had a courage, because she had a tricks, she had a determination, fixed her goal. That goal is she had winning that game. And she had one more prize in the global or all over the world. Because she was practice more days, more previous days or more previous years. Because she was fastest runner in the world at 1956 and again 1964. Because she had 4 gold medals. In 1956, she had 3 gold medals, which was held in the Melbourne, and again 1964, which was held in the Tokyo. That who was the 4th gold medal at that time or at 1956. The poet asked some more questions, and in the 3rd paragraph to find out or search to some answer. Long spells of effort, or spells means period of time in Kannada words, otherwise Kannada words is mantravanna patishu anta artha kodutte. But in this poem, the different meaning. In this poem, the period of time are to learn again and again, or practice to more time, or period of time her teenage. Long spells of effort, almost effort hakidiya. Long spells of effort and much to be learned. Finally she succeed, because she was a lot of effort in that game. And she was a hard work in that game because she was finally succeed for this, because she was finally success or succeed. Long spells of effort and much to be learned, heeding the words that some other rejected. Heeding the words or noticing the words. Heed means notice. Heed means notice. Heeding the words or consider the words. Your parents, your friends, your coaches, your coach, all of the experienced persons, all of the senior persons, word has been considered. Words has been considered by her because she was success. Finally, she was success. But she was not rejected. She was not rejected to some other's words, some other person's words, but her friends were rejected. Some others words, some other her friends were rejected to some other person's words because they were failure. They were failure because one example give one example. Most of the scientists in this world, most of the scientists in the world, but those are not famous. Those are not a famous, but those are a success. Those are a success people, but those are not a famous in the world. Are few scientists are a success. Few scientists are a famous for the world, famous in the world because their hard work or special work, special for work than other scientists because they were famous. For example, Dr. C.V. Raman and APJ Abdul Kalam and M. Visvesvaraya, those are the scientists in India, but India having more scientists, but those all scientists are famous, but only a few scientists are famous in the world or in India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was a famous in India, he was a famous scientist in India or world. As a same Sir M. Visvesvaraya, she was a great scientist in India or in world. As C.V. Raman was a great scientist in the global or in the world and as in India. But these two scientists are famous in the world or in India, but other scientists are not famous because depending upon their hard works, or their determination, or their persuasion, because they were famous or fame or honors, more countries were honors to them. Hearing the words that some other rejected, she was considered the other's feelings or other person's feelings, but her friends were rejected to senior person's words or coach or words, or her parents thought or words, but she was considered to parents' thought or parents' feeling or coach's feeling or experience. She was considered because she was succeed. Finally, she was succeed. But her friends were rejected. Her friends were rejected to coach words and their parents' words or parents' feelings and senior or experienced person's feelings. They were rejected because they were failure, because they were not famous a words that some other rejected, knowing that winning could only be earned. Knowing that winning could only be earned. ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ only knowing that winning means in this poem we have to consider observing this word winning or winning it means the earn means ಗಳಿಸು ಅಥವಾ ಕಲಿ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸು knowing the winning ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಗಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು knowing that winning could only be earn means lot of effort earn means lot of effort earn means lot of ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅರ್ನ್ ಗಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಅರ್ನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀನು ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ knowing that winning already how to now I am a win you are a win that game she had a she now you have to now winning or got in the fourth gold medals already now ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ quite ask and third in the last paragraph look at the last paragraph or fourth paragraph come time slipped away slipped means slipped time slipped away slipped means passed away ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾರಿ ಹೋಗೋದು time slipped away or time passed away then we came to the Olympics time slipped away pass ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು and then we came to Olympics game ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು then we came to the Olympics still in our teens ನಿನ್ನ ಯೂತ್ ಆಗಿನ ನೀನು ಯುವತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆಗಿನ ನೀನು ಹದಿಹರೆಯ ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹದಿಹರೆಯ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ still in our teens but spurred on by the cheers but spurred means encourage spurred observing the word spurred means encourage spurred means encourage but spurred on by the cheers means crying cheers means cheering or encourage to class your friends were class or your friends were encouraged to her or encouraged to you her friends were encouraged to you her coach were encouraged to you her parents were encouraged to you with a class with a shout encourage school means shout ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ cheers and some more words say to some more words when that time to encourage to her or encourage to you spurred but spurred on by the cheers or when that time to participate the Olympics games and the time you have to participate in that game your friends were shouting your friends were spurred then your friends were cheering your friends were cheering or shouting with a class to encourage into you, your friends, your parents, and their audience, those audience were encouraged to you while you have to participate in the Olympics games. The audience to encourage, or with a cheering, or with a clap, or with a shout, to encourage to you. Glory at last, finally, glory at last, glory given to the glory. In this word, observing this word, glory at last. Glory means given to this meaning in the glory, fame or pride or honor. Fame or prize. Fame or prize or honor. Glory at last. Finally, you have to win. Finally, you have to win in the first prize or second prize. Finally, you have to win in the. Finally, you have to win that Olympics Games at 1956, which was held in Melbourne, and again in 1964, which was held in Tokyo. In the three gold medals, which was held in the Melbourne Olympics, and the fourth gold medal having the fourth gold medal, or got a fourth gold medal, which was held in the Tokyo Olympics Games. Glory at last, finally you have to win. Glory at last, finally you have to win. Finally you have to honor. Glory at last. As you gain, gain means earn. As you gain means earn. Gain means earn. Glory at last, as gain your gold medals. 3 gold, 4 gold medals. Finally, you have to earn 4th gold medals. But when at a time, at 1956 Olympics, which was held in the Melbourne, when you got to 3 gold medals, and then at 1964 you got a 4th gold medal in the Olympics Games, which was held in the Tokyo. Glory at last, as you gain your gold medals. A time to remember, remind, a time to remember, and a time to remember the rest of your years. The rest of your years. After the 4th gold medal, she was taken the retirement. She was taken the retirement or retired. She was remembering all the incident. Which incident was at the 1956 Olympics, which was held in the Melbourne incident, and then she was participating in the Tokyo Olympics at 1964. 1964 she got to the 4th gold medal, and in 1956 she won the 3 gold medals. That 2 incidents are participating that games. You can be remember your best life or retire life after 60 after 60, age up to 60. When you can take the retirement, you can remember all those incidents. You can remember all those incidents. How can achieve these gold medals? ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. The poet says to the Elizabeth Cuthbert or Betty Cuthbert, but her original name is Elizabeth Cuthbert, but her nickname is Betty Cuthbert. Betty Cuthbert was a very famous or fastest runner in the world. In the period of 1956 to 1964, she got to the fourth gold medal. In the 1956 Olympics, she got to 3 gold medals, and again 1964 she got to the 4th gold medal. Because the devil batsman was thought to her a golden girl. The poet called to her, she was a golden girl. Because this title is showing, this poem title is showing a one girl as called a golden girl. One girl as called a golden girl. In this poem, finishing this poem, dear students, thank you.